Hey, how's it going? I'm Gavin, I'm a barber from Dublin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use grooming clay to style this sort of 60-40 that I've been going with recently. It's a super easy hairstyle to do and achieve and a very simple product to use. I've put some salt spray in earlier, as you can probably tell, but it's obviously not giving me that hold and texture that I want. So I'm just opening up the tub here and I'm going to pull about that much. I like using quite a bit, to be honest. I have about like the size of a pea there, but I'm just going to start rubbing it into my palms here. If you have slightly shorter hair, I wouldn't recommend rubbing it into your palms. I just do it into your fingers, but because my hair is quite long, I'll be doing it all around. And I'm just gonna rub it in until you can't see it anymore. As you can see on my hands now, they're slightly more white, but you actually can't see the products in there at all. And then I'm just gonna start scrunching it into my hair, almost back to front, just to make sure that it does distribute evenly. And then from there, I can start moving it backward into the style that I want, making sure that the parting is set in properly. And now we're getting somewhere. Got a lot more hold and texture in there now, almost there. And even on shampoo day, I just used the Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner from Poseidon Hair earlier, about an hour ago when I had a shower. It's holding really nicely. So yeah, that's the style finished. Still keeping that sort of matte look. You can't really tell that there's product in, but it's keeping it holding. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a like. And if you want to see more hairstyling content like this, you can subscribe to my channel. I try to post styling tutorials like this like once a week. And if you're interested in picking up some grooming clay for yourself or the salt spray that I used, you totally can. There'll be a link in the first line of the description. By supporting Poseidon Hair Products, you allow me to keep making videos like this for free. So if you do go on to support, thank you so much. And other than that, that's everything for today. Let me know what you think of this style in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.